Hello friends, my name is Vikas. So friends, in this video we will be discussing about some of the important personalities who recently passed away in the month of August. This video will be very helpful to you, so do watch the video till the end, hit the like button and share the link of this video with your friends. So friends, we'll start with our session, but before that we have something important to tell you about. We have an app by the name Careers Cloud which you can go and download through the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you will open the app and you will see this type of screen. In this, you can go and log in with your Google account, that is your Gmail ID. Then once you have logged in, then you will be moved to this page where you can see a window. If you click on the current affairs section here, then you will be moved to this page. Now this is where magic happens. This is the course where there are two courses provided by us. First, you should know it is of 1 year and 2 years. So choose your course accordingly. What we are providing and what is the reason behind that you should purchase course of current affairs from us, and what are the important details about it. First thing, you should know that we provide you current affairs in both English and Hindi. Okay. Also, we provide you here current affairs daily. PDFs are provided daily. The important factor here to remember is we are providing PDF to you daily. Okay, that contains question answers of the daily current affairs. They are explained in a much easy way where you can grasp the knowledge and do your revision. Okay, apart from that, we provide you with question answers. Then on every day we provide you 20 question answers quiz, daily 20 questions quiz. So imagine how much it will benefit you in your preparation. Then we provide you same thing for weekly. In weekly we take a quiz of 50 questions. Then question answers of week, we provide you a book. PDF is provided you weekly of the compiled questions of the whole week. Similarly for monthly also, ebook is given, your quizzes are taken, question answers PDF. Then apart from it, we also help you to prepare for banking papers. All the banking exams you can go refer to our videos and our courses here. You can see here that we provide you banking and economic quiz of 157 questions. Okay, then topic wise PDFs are covered. As you can see, we are making videos on indexes and reports, important days, the books and authors, all the events that are taking place in individual months. So these PDFs are provided to you and they will help you a lot in your preparation for journal awareness, your journal studies, as well as for current affairs. Then you can see we also provide you current affairs for state-wise. State-wise current affairs are provided to you. Apart from this, I have a gift for all of my friends here. If you use my code Vikas10, you will be getting a straight 10% discount on the purchase you make. So when you are about to check out and do the payment, just before the payment, you will be getting an option to use the promo code. There you can put the Vikas10, the code, and you will be getting an extra 10% discount on the total purchase you make there. So let's start with our video. So friends, let's start. First personality is our Padma Sachdeva. As you can see her in the picture, she is the woman who was a Padma Shri awardee and a Dogri poet who recently passed away. She is one of the most famous personality and she was the first woman poet of Dogri language. This Dogri language is even mentioned in our 8th schedule that contains the languages. Alright, so what's her name? She is Padma Sachdeva. She recently passed away. She was a Padma Shri awardee as well as she was the first modern woman poet of Dogri language. Alright, Padma Sachdeva, 81 years old, the first modern woman poet of Dogri language and a Padma Shri awardee who recently passed away at Mumbai hospital due to health reasons. She won the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1971 for her anthology of poems Meri Kavita Mere Geet. Born in Jammu in 1940s, Sachdeva played a vital role in including Dogri language to the 8th schedule of Indian Constitution. Alright, so her name is Padma Sachdeva and she's a Dogri poet or a poet in Dogri language. Next we'll be talking about an Olympian footballer SS Narayan who recently passed away. Alright, if the option is given, if 4 options if given and it is asked who was the Olympian footballer who recently passed away, he is SS Narayan. If we look at the data, Indian former footballer and goalkeeper. And if it is also mentioned that who was a football goalkeeper who recently passed away and a two-time Olympian, his name is Shankar Subramaniam Narayan or SS Narayan, who was 86 years old, also known as SS Babu Narayan, passed away due to the cardiac arrest in Thane, Maharashtra. He was born in 1934 at Palakkad district of Kerala. If the question is asked, SS Narayan belongs from which state? He belongs from Kerala. Next is your former Indian hockey player Gopal Bhanghera passed away. Former Indian men hockey player Gopal Bhanghera, who was 75 years old, passed away in Ranchi, Jharkhand due to prolonged illness. He was part of 1978's Men's Hockey World Cup that was held in Argentina. Next is Gujjar leader and a Padma Bhushan awardee Mian Bashir Ahmed, as you can see him in the picture, recently passed away. Question will be direct. Who was the famous personality of the Gujjar leader and as well as Padma Bhushan awardee who recently passed away? He is Mian Bashir Ahmed. Next we'll be talking about godfather of Sudoku, or the person who formed Sudoku recently passed away. He is Maki Kaji. He was 69 years of age when he recently passed away, and as you can see him in the picture, he is known as the godfather of Sudoku. Next, legendary German footballer Gerd Müller recently passed away. He is a German footballer. Alright, Gerd Müller, who recently passed away. He was nicknamed as Bomber the Nation. I repeat, Bomber the Nation was the nickname of Gerd Müller, who was a very famous German footballer. Next we'll be talking at O.M. Nambiar. Nambiar was a person who was very famous athletics coach. He was awarded with Dronacharya Award as well as he was awarded with Padma Shri Award. Alright, as you can see him in the picture, question will be asked, who was the renowned athletics coach recently who was a Dronacharya awardee as well as Padma Shri awardee who recently passed away? He was Om Nambiar. If we look at the data, renowned athletics coach O.M. Nambiar, who was also the coach of P.T. Usha, who passed away at the age of 89 in the Kozhikode district of Kerala due to age-related diseases. He was suffering from Parkinson's disease. He was born in the Kozhikode district of Kerala only. He was one of the first Dronacharya Award winner and a Padma Shri awardee in the year 2021. Next is former Indian footballer Chinmoy Chatterjee passed away. Former international footballer who was a defender Chinmoy Chatterjee passed away at his residence in West Bengal. Question can be asked, Chinmoy Chatterjee hails from which state? He hails from West Bengal. Next and a very important personality is Kalyan Singh. He was the former Chief Minister of which state? He was the former Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. He hails from Uttar Pradesh also. He recently passed away, as you can see him in the picture. He is Kalyan Singh and the former Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. He was from the BJP party, Bharatiya Janata Party. Next is 1960 Rome Olympian and a former national football coach SS Hakim passed away. As you can see him in the picture. Question can be asked, who was the former national football coach who recently passed away? He is SS Hakim. Former Indian footballer SS Shahid Hakim, a part of Indian football team during the 1960 Rome Olympics, has passed away in Karnataka. He was born in Hyderabad, British India, popularly known as Saab. Alright, SS Hakim, former national football coach, former national football team coach and a 1960 Rome Olympian who recently passed away, SS Hakim. Next is former Indian footballer O. Chandrasekhan passed away. As you can see him in the picture, he is O. Chandrasekhan. Next we'll be talking about a very famous agriculture scientist from Maharashtra and a Padma Shri awardee who recently passed away. He is B.V. Nimbkar. As you can see him in the picture, he is a very renowned agriculture scientist from Maharashtra and a Padma Shri awardee who recently passed away. Alright, moving on. Next, former England Test captain Ted Dexter passed away. As you can see him in the picture, he is Ted Dexter. Question can be asked, Ted Dexter, who recently passed away, is related to which sport? He is related to cricket. Alright. And he is, if it is asked, Ted Dexter, who recently passed away, who was a cricket, belongs from which country or from which team of cricket? He is from the England country. Alright. So friends, this was our video. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked our video, do hit the like button, share the link with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, or if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe, because it motivates us to bring a better content for you guys. Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support@affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862, and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price, and that will help you to boost your preparation.